Wigs by Vanity.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something very serious, which impacts us all. We may not realise it, but it does. Of course, I'm talking about new Barbie's hair. I don't know what Mattel has done. I don't know why they can't get their shit together, but every new Barbie they release has got crap hair. It's like lost technology. It's like building the pyramids. Mattel just can't do Barbie's hair anymore. So I'm going to do it for her. So today, well, this is Super Star Christie. Okay, she's a repro. She came out this year. It was very exciting because here is my original 1977 Christie, Super Star Christie. And she's amazing and gorgeous, but her dress was crap. So when they released the repros, I was like, on one hand, annoyed because I just bought an original, and I'm like, now they're like, you know, they're sullying the brand by releasing a repro. But then I was like, oh, I can buy the repro and pilfer her dress and put it on the original, which is exactly what I did. So now I'm left with this beautiful Superstar face mold Christie, and her hair is just like gross. I've redressed her, of course, in my own fashion. Yeah, her hair's just like, it's just a bit frizzy and a bit like, I don't know what they're trying to do. But anyway, we're going to brush it out. We're going to steam it straight. Well, we're going to straighten it, and then we're going to reset it. And I'm going to give her like a nice, like Beyonce kind of, you know, disco-y, Diana Rossi kind of look, I hope. Anyway, today, what we're going to need is a tail comb, some end papers, some pins, and some teeny weeny sticks. Okay? Oh, and a Barbie chair, of course. Very important to have a Barbie chair when you're doing Barbie's hair. So the first step is, oh, and of course, a Barbie. A Barbie. A Barbie. Okay, let's get her undressed and get her prepped. I don't know how to do pixelation on iMovie, so we're gonna get her boobies. I'm so sorry, YouTube. Please don't monetize me. Anyways, this is Christie. She's naked, obviously. Oh, she's got a little band. Let me see if I can just pull this out, or I can, like, I feel like I should have two cameras and have a close-up camera. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that. I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm gonna make a surgical incision. Hold on. Oh, okay. She was attached to the back. Okay, she's free. So, I'm gonna give her a little brush. Oh yeah, she's gonna look heaven when she's got like a nice big, look. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I have had so many people, and when I say so many people, I mean like 3 people, ask me about Barbie's hair. And so I'm gonna do it, okay? This is why I'm doing this video. This is because, you know, you ask and I listen. I've had a few attempts at Barbie's hair. I'm just gonna put her in a chair. Give her a little trim, because there's a few little long bits. Yeah, I'm just gonna just trim these little bits off here. So as I was saying, I have had a few attempts at doing Barbie's hair before, and I haven't had much success. Like, I'm not proclaiming to be an expert at this. I'm just making it up as I go along. And it's funny, like, you'd think that'd be the same as doing a wig, because it's like it's synthetic fiber and whatnot and blah, 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 but it's actually not. Like, it's just really different. Anyway, so, first step, I spill coffee all over myself, is we're gonna take her to the basin. I'm gonna give her a treatment, okay? When I say treatment, I mean I'm gonna dunk her head in boiling water and try and straighten out some of the frizz. Okay, let's do that. So we're gonna just dip her head in boiling water. I'm gonna make sure I have her part kept nice, because it's a thatching. It's a little stuff there that's called thatching. And just to help smooth the frizziness, I think. I hope. Yeah, look. Oh, that's better already. Yeah. Oh, lovely. Okay. We've done that. That's first step 1. Okay, so that's step 1. I'm gonna put it back in a chair. And what I might do is bring the camera over nice and close so you can see Barbie up close. How about that? Or Christie up close.
Boom. Wow. Stop. What? Bye.
I think that'll be okay. I mean, yeah. Okay, next step is back to the boiling water. I'm gonna dunk her head. I'm gonna boil the jar again. Okay. It's really hard to get the tension right. I struggle. I'm really good at setting, but like, I just don't think I care enough about Barbie's hair. Okay, that's cool. I mean, it's boiling water, right? Okay. I mean, right? Oh, let's see if that's enough. All right. It technically should be enough, right? Like, it's boiling water. Well, we'll see. So obviously it's plastic, so we can't put it in the oven. So we're gonna put it on a fan, which is like a nice here, which is here. Okay, and we'll just leave her there until she dries. Okay, I might just do this and take a little screenshot. Okay. Okay, so we're back. She's been under the dryer. She's had a lovely time. She's had a glass of champagne. She's fingered through some glossies. It's been a lovely, luxurious salon day, hasn't it, darling? Okay, so let's just see how we're going. Like I said before, this is all just experiment, and I really don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, we got curls. That's good. All right, let me take them out. Oh yeah. Oh, magic. Like magic. Oh, you're gonna look so beautiful, Christie. I mean, still not as tight as I would like them, but that I'd need to do a smaller stick, and I just don't have a smaller stick. All my sticks are so big, you know? Okay. Oh, I need a different puck. Oh, wow. We certainly got a good amount of curl on the ends. I'm still not 100% happy with it, but like, I don't hate it. It was definitely better than what she had before. Oh, I didn't do it before and after. Oh, well. Well, it's not quite the look I was going for. I've got some roller marks. Okay, let's get her dressed. Because you're naked. Okay, are we ready for the big reveal? It's not exactly how I planned. Like I said before, I have attempted this a few times and I haven't had great results. It's better than what it was. Definitely isn't the Diana Ross Vanity that I was hoping for, but it is very Beyonce. Yeah, she's glamorous. She's gorgeous. Look at her. Yeah, that's a 70s disco diva. She actually looks like a new version of Golden Dream Christie. So yeah, okay, well, I just spent a day doing that. Okay, well, that was it. So, another screenshot just in case I want one. Thank you to the 3 people that asked me to do this video. I hear you. I see you. You're represented. At least I'm not one of those people that are like, I've had so many people ask me to do a video like this. I'm like, who? Who? I want names. At least I'm honest. Anyway, that's me redoing Barbie's hair. Well, Christie's hair. So thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and like it and share it and do whatever you want. Okay, love you. Bye.
Looking like a baddie, I show up and make them stop. Wanna know my name so badly, cause I run this whole block. Flip my hair, move my head, show the world I'm royalty. When I walk by, they be taking bows, cause they know I'm the queen, yeah. Move it, groove it, groove it. They wanna know just how I do it when I do it, do it. I got that magic touch, it's a rush pulsing through my veins. When I show up, everybody knows that I'm gonna change the game. just how I do it when I do it, do it. I got that magic touch, it's a rush, pulsing through my veins. When I show up, everybody knows that I'ma change the game.
Wigs by Vanity. This is my wigs. I don't wear hair.